by. And the thing I want out of life is na 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 na. Boom. I want you. I want you. Baby, 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 want you. I want you. You can run, you can hide, but you never get away. You can lie and deny, but you know you're gonna pay. You never loved, never thought you could. I treat you right, girl, you know I would. You can fight, but tonight there's nothing you can do. BOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO. Oh, he just loves that Natasha. Nah.
I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, NANABOOZHOO loves Natasha.
Oh, that's my favorite
Oh, wow.
song. You like that? Yeah. NANABOOZHOO loves Natasha. So what do you think? Should we get the show on the road? Should we start the show? Should we start the live stream? Hoka hey, BOOZHOO! And welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO. Over here, the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Miwini Mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart. BOOZHOO, Gakita Awia, Minoki Kashabe. Hello, everybody. Good morning. And over here, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Michael Lyons. Hey, everyone, how you doing? Welcome back to the show. And, so what's going on, sweetie? Well, it's Friday morning. It is a Friday morning. We should probably pull up the word for Friday. The fifth day. Nano geez, you're good. The fifth day. Nano geez, you're good. Now I feel too tall. You're fine. Nano geez, you're good is a Friday. And on this Friday, I don't know, watching the sunrise. I wonder which one is sunrise, sweetie. Nope. Here we go. The Muka'am. Muka'am. Sunrise. It's a new day, sweetie. It's an Oshki Geeja good. It's a new day. You can go out, you can put out your tobacco. You can start all over. Yesterday's the past. Forget it. It's done. You can't do anything about it. Tomorrow isn't here yet. And all your worries won't another minute buy. Hey, did you just quote Kansas? Yeah, I think I did. And all your... What song is it? Dust in the wind. And all your money won't another minute buy. Yeah. Dust in the wind. All we are is... Do you think that's all we are, sweetie? Well, we're a spirit. Kansas says we're just dust in the wind. Yeah, a bunch of godless heathens. You think Kansas was a bunch of godless heathens? Well, if they don't believe in a spirit. Mukam. It's the sunrise. Oshki Gijagud. It's a new day. And on this new day, sweetie, yeah, I think it's high time that we say Mino Giga Jab to the BOOZHOO crew. Yeah, let's say good morning to who's here. Weesani's here. Schwip, check it. Weesani a gold star. Yeah, why not? Weesani's got a bunch of them. Yeah. Good morning, Weesani. Way to be first in class. Gold star. Who's in second? Gwen Carley's here in second place. Silver star for Gwen. BOOZHOO, Gwen. BOOZHOO, Nijikwe. Hello, my sister from another mister. And Jessica Wabooz is here, sweetie. Oh, BOOZHOO, Jessica. Mino Giga Jabe. Let's give that old Jessica a bronze star. And a bronze star by Jessica. Oh, John Redcorn's here. Mr. Redcorn, you get nothing. Nada. Gaween Gegu. No thing. Nothing for John. Just a sad face for being late. We run a tight ship. This little Ojibwe language podcast, it's kind of like boarding school. It should be. Those kids learned. No, I'm just kidding. Don't make boarding school jokes. It's too soon. Is it too soon to make jokes of boarding schools? Yeah. Is it too soon to make jokes of the Holocaust? Way too soon. Well, what if we have Hitler on the line too? Hitler's on line too? Yep. Uh-oh. I hope he doesn't want to make jokes about World War II. It's too soon. Okay. Hitler, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Hello, NANABOOZHOO. It is I, Adolf Hitler. Yeah, I know. What's going on? Oh, you know, I wanted to call in and learn the Ojibwe Word of the day. Ojibwe Word of the day? Well, we're talking about sunrise. Muka'am. Muka'am! Sunrise! Yep, sunrise. And it's a new day. Oshki Gisha Gud. Oshki Gisha Gud. It is a new day to take over the world! I think you've had your time. It's that's the past. It's over now, Adolf. You don't think little Adolf can take over the world? Nah, nobody's paying attention anymore. Hey, sweetie. Yeah? You got somebody on line 3 I think you should answer. Oh, excuse me for a second, Adolf. I got a call on line 3. Oh, okay, you take that call. Adolf will wait! Okay. Caller, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Heil Hitler. Is this the Morels statue? Yes, I am the Morels statue. And I wanted to call to say Heil Hitler to Adolf. Oh, thank you so much. I love it when people say Heil Hitler. You guys, you're going to get me in trouble on YouTube. That's just not funny. It's too soon. You think the Jews had it hard? Let me tell you. Listen, Chief Morel, I'm not into your Hitler stuff. That's, it's not funny. It's too soon. Then let me say, Giga Wabamin, Minowa. Yeah, Giga Wabamin, Minowa, Morel statue. That's not cool, sweetie. It's not cool. It's not funny. It's not cool and it's not funny, Adolf. Why are you yelling at me? I am just little Adolf. I want to learn Ojibwe language. Okay. Well, here's one more Ojibwe phrase, and then I'm going to have to let you go. Misqua Mikana. Today I'm going to talk about the red road and the black road. Misqua Mikana means the red road. Misqua Mikana. Red road. Ah, yes, I understand. Little Adolf walks the red road. Yeah, that's what I hear. As opposed to the Makade Mikana, the black road. Makade Mikana, black road. This is the road to destruction. Yeah, pretty much. How you say the Jew road in Ojibwe? Yeah, never mind about that, Adolf. I gotta go. How you say goodbye in Ojibwe? We don't say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Gigawabamin, Minowa! Why does he watch this show? I don't know. Anyway, today I would like to discuss the traditional teachings, the Anishinaabe. Oh, what would we call this? I would call this a grandfather teaching. A grandfather teaching. What are the values in our way? When an Anishinaabe person, or a human being, which is what Anishinaabe actually means, when a person is following the path, they say they're on the red road, the Misqua Mikana. And this isn't a race thing, okay? I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm being sensitive because Hitler just called. Yeah. But when people think, oh, I'm on the red road, that's the Indian road. The black road, that's the, African American road. It's like, no, that's not what we're talking about here. Red is good, but not because we were the red man. It's just a good color. Misqua Mikana is the red road. And the Makade Mikana is the black road. So, sweetie, what would be like an example of somebody who's walking the black road? If they're like into rap music and living in the hood. No, that's what I'm talking about. That's not the black road. That's just hip, it's just gangster, whatever. Black road is like a way of life. Oh, you mean like somebody who drinks all the time and cheats on his wife? Yeah. If you're out there cheating on your wife, getting drunk, stealing, that's the black road. That's the bad path. But actually, you know what I think the black road is, sweetie? What? I think the black road is like the road of darkness or whatever. It's when you don't know where you're going. Yeah. The black road, they say, when an Anishinaabe guy gets serious, a lot of Indian guys, I know in my family it was kind of true. All the men in my family, when they were young, they were pretty wild. They liked to drink and carry on and fight and get in all kinds of mischief. And one by one, every one of them quits drinking, quits smoking, quits fighting, quits cheating. Without the help of treatment, without counseling, they just grow up one day and they cut it out. And that's when a person decides to follow the path of the true human being. Oh, the true, like they said in Dances with Wolves. Yeah. In Dances with Wolves, John Dunbar, he gets his Indian name, Dances with Wolves, when the old Ten Bearers, the chief, he goes, you've been walking the red road. It's very good. You've decided to walk the way of the true human being. You're living like a Dakota. Those guys were Dakotas, but we're Ojibwes. That's right. But when a person, puts down the bottle, straightens up, maybe gets on their knees for a minute and prays, but decides to follow a good way, we all kind of inherently know, even little kids, they kind of can tell the difference between right and wrong when you wake up. When you're all drunk in that, yeah, That's when you can't tell. You're blind. That's why they say, oh, I was so drunk I was blind. Yeah. You know, there's no light. It's black. That's the Makade Mikana. So you got to ask yourself, you know, once in a while you got to get real serious about what's going on in my life. Am I following the road that I'm supposed to be on? Is there a path? Or what? Do you think you're on the red road? I'm on sort of a dark red road. I'm on like a maroon road. You know, there's a little darkness in my road. I'm not entirely pure. Let me just say that. You know, I won't be casting the first stone, if you know what I'm saying. But actually, more or less, yeah. Since we started doing the show, I kind of feel like I'm following up the red road. Yeah, I think we're on the path. Yeah. We're not there yet, but we're walking in the right direction. Misqua Mikana. The red road. Country roads, take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Dr. Evils is back, sweetie. No way! Okay, bonjour, Dr. Evils. No gold stars here for me. No, I'm sorry, Doc. Can we give a gold star to Dr. Evils? No, that would totally screw up the whole system. Yeah, you're right. Nope, you want to get here, you're going to have to get here. You're going to have to get up before Wisani. Wisani's old school. He gets up with the sun, with the muka'am. That's right. Let's see. Better luck next time, Dr. Evils. Yep. Is that damn commercial I had to watch? Yeah, I hate that they have ads. I mean, I wouldn't mind it so much, but some of these ads are so two-spirited. What do you mean? Ugh. I was watching some ad trying to watch our show, and they interrupt one of our songs, and there's an ad, and there's two dudes on a bed, and the camera is like above them, and like, I don't know. I can't remember if one had his shirt off, because I kind of turned my eyes away, because they were like laying arm in arm, and one guy goes, I know we should have used protection, but we just lost control or something like that. And I was like, wow, gross. That's gay. What were they selling? I have no idea. But you got to be careful. Every commercial has like some sort of hidden message of, hey, you should try being gay sometimes. Like, I don't want to. I got an old lady. It's bad enough. No, I'm just kidding. I know. So what else? Who else is here? Sir Fev 2010's back. Says Benson. I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know either. You will eat fish flies and like it. Okay. La-di-da-di. Anyway, so you've been watching the news? Oh, every night. What's going on with the president? He's presidenting it up. I don't know. He just reads off a teleprompter. Yeah. I was going to try to learn the presidential song. Dun, dun, dun. No, I always think of England. It's so bad. It's that old. Da, 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 da. No, that's Graduation. Yeah. We're coming up on back to school days. Yep. Are the kids back in school yet? Or is that next week? No, I don't think they start till after Labor Day. But I think the teachers have to go back. Yeah. Only grumpy teachers have to go in for in-school training. Yeah. It's the season for diversity training of high school teachers. Hey, guys. Once again this year, we're going to talk about diversity. Don't want the school to get sued. Remember, if a kid decides that they're transgendered, you go right along with it. You pretend that little boy is a girl or vice versa. They say their name is something other than, they say their name is Caitlin, you go with Caitlin. That's the policy of the school. When Rocky came out, yeah, I came back to school and I wanted everyone to give me the nickname Rocky. Yeah. I said, from now on, my name is Rocky. What'd they do? They said, shut up. Nobody called me Rocky. They saw the movie too. You're not Rocky. I was like a fourth grader. Dun 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 dun. La dee dee da dee dee dum dee dum. Hoka hey, hoka hey. Oh, speaking of Misquah, this is why I wanted to talk. Wait. I was going to talk about red cedar. Misquawak. Misquawak is red cedar. And to say the place with red cedars, you would say, Ga Misquawakokag. Ga Misquawakokag Nundunjaba. The place with red cedars is where I'm from. Cass Lake used to be called Ga Misquawakokag. It was the place with red cedars. And red cedars aren't just the red cedars you see around the lake sometimes when they turn red. I don't know if they're dead then or what that is. Do they change colors in the winter? I want to say that some cedars do, but red cedars are green, but their wood is red. So they call them the red cedars. And it's just one of those questions I always have about history where I just don't understand. There's that weird period of history before my grandfather was born, like his dad's time, my great-grandfather's time. In Minnesota, when they gave up all their Ojibwe names and they changed everything into an English name. And all these towns popped up, and they're all named after Freemasons and governors and lumber barons or whatever, you know. So Cass, Lewis Cass, an overweight Freemason with greasy hair. Some reason came up and renamed the lake. But I can't blame him. I blame my ancestors. What was the matter with our ancestors that they were like, oh yeah, where do I live? I live at the place with red cedars. Ga Misquawakokag. And the guy was like, well, from now on, let's call it Cass Lake. That's my last name. Oh, I always wanted a lake named after me. Yeah. You know. And the Indians are like, yeah, okay, whatever. It's my same problem with the Columbus story. The Columbus story? Well, not so much the Columbus story, but the story of why we call ourselves Indians. Oh, because of Columbus? Yeah. In case you haven't heard the story, apparently, you know, they say, allegedly, in 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. And he met a bunch of Indians. And they make it sound like he came to North America and met a bunch of Shinabs. But he crash landed somewhere in the Bahamas, or I don't even know. I don't know why Columbus is the American story. But he met a bunch of black guys. But I don't know how that works. But he met the Wampanoags, indigenous people from the New World. But he thought he was in India. So he gets out of the boat and he's like, hey, we made it, fellas. We're finally here in India. Look, real Indians. And he's all like, hey, namaste, or whatever. Yeah. He goes, are you guys Indians? They're like, no, we're the Wampanoags, or whatever they were called. He goes, come on. I just sailed around the globe. I was going to prove the earth was round. And I proved it by sailing here to India. You guys must be Indians. And Indian guy was like, yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, we're Indians. Namaste, right back at you, Niji. And then not only did the Wampanoags or they were Caribbeans or whatever they're called. Those guys, not only did they start calling themselves Indians, somehow word spread all over the entire North American tribal peoples of many different languages. People had never connected with each other, ever. Somehow got the word, hey, from now on, never mind calling yourselves Dakota, Ojibwe, Navajo, Wampanoag, whatever. From now on, we're all just going to be Indians. Like, yeah, why? Columbus, he don't understand, but be cool. We don't want to make him feel bad. So, from that day on, we were Indians. Stupid. It sure is. I don't know. So, what are you going to do? So, Miskowak. But today, actually, guess what I wanted to do? One of the songs I wanted to play actually has to do with another place that was named after Sir Thomas Leech. Leech Lake was founded by a great explorer named Thomas Leech. What? I'm making up a history. No, you can't do that. Why not? The Freemasons did. No, I'm just kidding. But Leech Lake, if you wanted to say it in Ojibwe, you would say Ga Zagasqua Jamaikag. A Zagasqua Jame is a leech. And the day came, back in the days of the grandfathers, when all the elders got together and they said, oh, we have this beautiful lake, but it has no name. What shall we call this beautiful lake surrounded by all these trees? Actually, you know what I just learned from one of the BOOZHOO crew this year was that Leech Lake isn't even real. What do you mean it's not real? Well, it was created after they created Winnie Dam or Federal Dam or one of those things. It's a man-made, it's a reservoir. It's not even a lake. Is that why it's shaped so weird? Yeah, I think so. But Gazagasqua Jamaikag is Leech Lake. And we wrote a song called Leech Lake. But did we even bother to pull it up, sweetie? Now that you say that, I don't think we did. Oh, great. I wonder if I can find it in time. Do you want me to look for it? No, I can find it. So I wrote a song about Leech Lake. How to say it in Ojibwe. Gazagasqua Jamaikag. Gazagasqua Jamaikag. Gazagasqua Jamaikag. Okay. Sweetie, we did it again. What? We made too many songs, so I can't find it. It's probably way down near the bottom. Yep, you're right. Here it is. Gazagasqua Jamaikag, Leech Lake. So I wrote a song about Leech Lake, how to say it in Ojibwe. Gazagasqua Jamaikag, Gazagasqua Jamaikag. It's fun when you sing it, now Natasha's gonna bring it. Gazagasqua Jamaikag, Gazagasqua Jamaikag. Gazagasqua Jamaikag, Gazagasqua Jamaikag, Gazagasqua. Jamaica, Gazagasqua. Jamaica, Gazagasqua. Jamaica, Lindonjaba. Oh, wow. Gazagasqua, Jamaica. Gazagasqua, Jamaica. Gazagasqua, Jamaica. Gazagasqua, Jamaica. Gazagasqua. Jamaica, Lindonjaba. Oh, Gazagasqua. Jamaica, Gazagasqua. Jamaica. Oh, for crying out loud. Hey, everybody. Having some technical difficulties, huh, sweetie? Yeah, I'll say. Gazagasqua, Jamaica. Let's just pull that down there. And then, sweetie. That's gotta be right, doesn't it? I think it is. Would you mind teleporting me outside? All right. One to teleport, hopefully. Make it so, number one. I'm going to go outside. Oh, here we go. Boop, boop, boop. BOOZHOO. Hi, sweetie. Oh, good. You make it? Yep, I'm out here. All right. Give me a call when you want me to pick you up. I sure will. All right. Over and out. Over and out. Roger that. Over and out. Anyway. Boop, boop, boop. So here we are. Out in the beautiful forest. So you know where I am. I might be out in Itasca State Park. Oh, it's just a beautiful day. Hey, BOOZHOO, Benashiag. Hello, birds. Yeah, I just thought I would step out here and I'm going to say a little prayer in Ojibwe. Yeah, I'm doing a live stream on YouTube. Yeah, the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO pod. I can't, it's live. I'm on right now. I'll tell you about it later. Yeah, of course you can support the show on Patreon, PayPal, and GoFundMe. Yep, that's right. We're the show that has Michael Lyons' books for sale on Amazon.com. Yeah, of course, you've heard about it. Anyway, let's see. Got a little tobacco. I'm just going to speak in Ojibwe now. Yeah, you can listen. Kitchimanadu. Odapanan Niwi Asema. Great spirit. Accept my tobacco. Nusana wakwing abian. Apigish, get you to one to make. Get a news a win. Apigish, be dagwishalu makak. Gitu kima we win. And in the min. Apigish, is you a buck. Divishku wakwing miko. Gaye aking. Miko gaye ish paming. Mishishanang nuko aki shakak. Nabakwe gani mana minik iyo yang. Bunigade tawishanang gaye. Ka iji nish kahi nangi. Kiko gaye iji nish kahi ishi kange. Gagwe. They been gay winning. Dash in inama wishanang maya na duck. A bang. Great Spirit, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, and deliver us from evil. Amen. That's what they call the Lord's Prayer. It's in your Bible. I mean, not the Ojibwe version, but you can Google it. Nusana wakwing abian, our Father who art in heaven. Is the Pope Catholic? Does the bear poop in the woods? Nah. Well, it's Friday. For some of you, it's payday. I've got Friday on my mind. Gonna have fun in the city. Be with my girl, she's so pretty. La-di-da-di-dum. I don't know. Sometimes when I pray, I guess I didn't pray today to ask. If you want to ask the Creator to help you speak well, you gotta say, "We duka wishin, help me. Ando in a way to speak well. Noon goom today, help me to speak well today. Get your manaru." But sometimes when I pray, it's almost like the birds tell me to say something. I'll feel inspired. I'll be like, oh, I should talk about this thing. And I'll end up talking about, grief. Or about something, So sometimes I'll just go outside and wait. All right. Am I supposed to say something in particular? Answer me, Jehovah! What will you have me do? Nah. You ever get mad at God? You ever get really... That's when you know you really believe. There can be times where you are just very anti-God because you're so mad that, the Vikings lost or whatever, and you're cursing your Creator. But that's how you know you believe in God. You don't get mad at Santa Claus when he doesn't give you anything, because you don't believe in him. But when you feel like your prayers didn't get answered the way you wanted. Or sometimes you ever feel like God just picks on you? It's like you have bad luck over and over again. That's one thing, speaking about the red road and the black road. It's like, how do you know you're on the Misquamiconnet? I think sometimes, and I'm just a little girl, what do I know? But sometimes I think you can tell you're on the black road, the Mikana, when it feels like you got bad luck. When, you keep on kind of screwing up. You forget stuff that you know. Somebody misinterprets you. It's just things aren't going right. And you'll notice when you're on the bad road just how many jerks there are. When you take that side road, you take the off ramp and you go down the black road, you'll notice how people are just stupid, not worth their time, just self-involved, idiotic, slaves to their appetites. When you're on the black road, you can tell you're on the black road if it seems like everybody sucks. Because they don't, really. Except for all the people down the black road with you. When you're on the red road, you keep meeting cool people. You keep finding new reasons to kind of go, hey, you know what? You know who's really cool? You know who I really like? I think if you're lucky enough to stumble onto your path, your purpose, life is kind of like walking down a path. If it's got a reason, everybody's got a reason to live, baby. But, when you find your path, and it's not, here's one thing, kids, this is for little kids. You might have some dreams. And you're like, okay, yeah, the red road, I know. If I can just be a singer, if I can get on America's Got Talent, or whatever, The Voice, and I win, then I'll be happy. It's like, no, the path isn't a destination. The path is just the place you walk. I used to think, like, when I grow up, I'll be a singer. I'll get on the stage and I'll hold a microphone, I'll sing and everyone will clap and I'll be so cool. Oh, it'll be just fun. Well, sure enough, there are times, once in a while, where I'm on a stage singing a song. But that wasn't the road. The path was every day waking up and doing what I have to do, but singing my way through it, doing the show, singing songs when I get a chance, sharing them with my friends, whatever. You'll know you're on the right path, the right way of living, right way of walking, when things get kind of easy. I mean, it'll always be sort of a struggle. Life is a struggle. Walking itself, you got to concentrate not to fall over. You get tired. But it's meant to be, like a little walk through the woods. Like down this little path. There's your path. You just got to walk it. But the black road is wide. It's wide, the path of destruction. But here's my last bit of advice. Last little bit of Natasha's Nibwakowin. Natasha's wisdom for the children. If you want to know what your path is, I mean, the red road, there's definitely everybody, there's good ways of living. You got to live our values. You got to be nice, honor your elders, treat people with respect, treat yourself with respect, honor the earth, honor God. But otherwise, everyone's got their own path. For some people's path, it's going to be the path of being a mechanic. You're going to fix everybody's cars. You're going to learn everything there is about automotive. It's like being an artist, only of fixing trucks. You know? Whatever your road is, the way I found my path. Number one, you got to kind of figure out, what do you love to do anyway? What is something that you think is fun? What is something that people thank you for and you just do it naturally? Like, some people are really good with kids. And they'll say, oh, thank you so much for playing with the kids during this thing. You know, you're so good with kids. Well, remember that. If that's easy and fun for you and people thank you for it, that's something. You might have a gift. That might be part of your path. So number one, you got, what do you love? For me, I loved singing and dancing and being silly. You know, I know with Michael, he'd love to draw cartoons and play guitar. NanaBOOZHOO loved to talk about the language and stuff. So, you know, there's that. Number two, who do you love? What's a group of people or a group of animals or the environment, or find somebody you love. Some people, they just love cats and dogs. And they end up, you know, adopting a mess of cats and dogs, and they work at the animal shelter, and they're always trying to find homes and stuff like that. They love these little cats. Number three, what is the problem with this group of people you love? With us on the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast, Michael and NanaBOOZHOO and I, we really loved the little Indian kids on the res. The little, you know, little res puppies, especially like down in Onigum. But all of them, you know. I always liked the kids. What's their problem? They didn't know their language. Some of them wanted to learn how to draw and sing and stuff like that. But nobody was around to kind of teach them stuff like that. So, when you take the thing you love doing anyway, oh, I'm a mechanic, I love to work on cars, and you use that thing you love to help the group of people that you actually love. Like for Michael, he started drawing coloring books for children that would teach Ojibwe language. And then he would go talk to the kids and play his guitar and tell stories and stuff. Well, take something you love to do anyway, try to address the problem that the group of people you care about has, and then step back and wait for the Creator to start blessing you with opportunities, maybe money, maybe other people who are interested in the same thing. You'll start to notice something kind of crazy happens, and that's when you know you're on the right path. Use what you love to help people you love with a problem they have. Figure out a way. I mean, maybe you love, if you really do, let's say you love working on cars. And you love elders. Well, guess who has got old beat-up cars? Elders. You decide one day, you know what, I'm going to help these elders out. I'm going to go do oil changes and change tires free of charge. Well, you're not going to do it for very long before somebody else just comes in and makes you take money. when there's a news program about this noble mechanic who's helping out his elders. And then pretty soon he starts his own business, and it's super popular, and he gets to do what he loves because he helped a group of people he loved with the thing he loved. It's that easy. And I know it works because we do the dumbest thing to help a group of people we love. You know, start a show that teaches words and has some songs, and goofy people like me and NanaBOOZHOO to make it fun for the kids. So, I don't know. Miigwech, Gitchimanadu, thank you for letting us do the show. I really do think it's part of the Red Road. And then finally, that's the thing. The Red Road is the Creator's Road. He wants you to do something good. The Black Road is, you know, not being a good person. No. Alright, I'm gonna go back. Boop, boop, boop.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
You ready to come home?
Yeah. I was just talking about the Red Road.
Hey, cool. All right, hang on. I'm gonna scan for your coordinates.
Alright.
And that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No.
Okay. This thing isn't working so great anymore.
I noticed that.
Yeah. I think we might have to shut it off and turn it back on.
Well, it has been a couple of days.
Hey, you know what else? The computer is like full of videos.
We gotta make some time to delete some more of those videos. I noticed that. Stuff's starting to get sluggish.
Yeah.
Anyway. So what's been going on around here, Michael?
Oh, not much. Just watching the show.
Yeah. Did you want me to talk about your books?
Well, I think you already did.
Well, like I can show one. Did you guys know Michael Lyons wrote a book called Little Cutie? Little Cutie is a story of a little teddy bear that goes on a vision quest. And you might ask yourself, what's a vision quest? Well, it's a quest. It's not just... A quest is like an adventure. You go out on an adventure to find your vision. What's a vision? Well, a vision can be a couple of things. But sometimes a vision is finding out your purpose in life. Finding what your red road looks like. Little Cutie doesn't know where he belongs. He thinks his humans outgrown him. So he goes out on a vision quest into the woods. And he meets a bunch of animals, and they all have Ojibwe names. There's a Jidamoo, he's a squirrel. There's, who else is there?
There's Baka Akwe,
Baka Akwe, the chicken. Wagosh, the fox.
Jagog, the skunk.
Jagog is a skunk, yeah, he's cute. Oh, and Mamengwa and Migazi.
Yep.
And then he finally meets Gitchimanadu. But if you'd like to order a copy of Little Cutie, Michael Lyons has books and comics for sale at Amazon.com. Links are in the description. And baby, that's all I had to say about that. Huh?
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. You know what? I kind of wanted to play, I Can't Make You Love Me If You Don't.
Yeah, we can close the show with that.
Can we do it right now?
Yeah, why don't you thank everybody and then we'll make that the outro song.
Okay. Have you ever loved somebody who didn't love you back? Oh wait, I'm doing the intro.
Yeah, you can just play the song.
Okay, I'll play the song and then we'll leave. Here's a song I sang with Nanaboozhoo and Michael Lyons on the guitar. And it's by Bonnie Raitt.
I think so.
Here's a song by Bonnie Raitt. I can't make you love me if you don't. Turn down the light, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me closely and don't patronize. Don't patronize me. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. I feel the power that you don't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. I'll close my eyes, then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, I'll do what's right. Just hold me, baby, and I'll give up the fight. And I will give up this fight. Oh, 'cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. And I feel the power that you won't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. If you don't. If you don't.
Oh, what?
And that's pretty much how I feel about anybody who comes on our live stream. Oh, this show is dumb. I can't make you love me. Flat earth stuff. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. But you're the one who tuned into our show. You got nothing better to do, but we gotta go. Nah. Huh?
You tell him, baby.
Okay. Hey, everybody. Just want to say, miigwech bizendawieg, God bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. And thank you for watching. Dash ganawabieg, miigwech ganawabieg. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, miigwech.
This is Michael Lyons.
Thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa. Oh. Sweetie,
One more time.
if you wouldn't mind,
One to teleport.
make it so, number one. See you tomorrow.